What is SEO and why does it matter? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of improving your website's visibility and relevance in the organic search results of Google, Bing, and other search engines. SEO matters because it can help you reach more potential customers who are looking for what you offer. By following SEO best practices, you can make your website more user-friendly, informative, and trustworthy, which can lead to higher rankings, more traffic, and more conversions. How does SEO work? SEO works by aligning your website's content and structure with the needs and preferences of both search engines and users. Search engines use complex algorithms to crawl, index, and rank web pages based on various factors, such as relevance, quality, authority, and popularity. Users use search engines to find answers to their questions, solutions to their problems, or products and services to meet their needs. They type keywords or phrases into the search box and click on the results that match their intent. Your goal as an SEO is to make sure that your website appears among the top results for the keywords that your target audience uses. To do that, you need to understand how search engines work and what users want. What are the main steps of SEO? SEO can be divided into 5 main steps. 1. Keyword research. This is the process of finding out what keywords your potential customers use to search for your topic, niche, or industry. Keyword research helps you identify the demand, competition, and difficulty of ranking for each keyword, as well as the intent and expectations behind each query. 2. Content creation. This is the process of creating high-quality content that matches the searcher's intent and provides value to your audience. Content creation involves choosing the right format, tone, style, and length for each piece of content, as well as optimizing it for the target keywords and audience. 3. On-page SEO. This is the process of making your content and website as clear and relevant as possible for both search engines and users. On-page SEO involves using descriptive titles, URLs, headings, meta descriptions, images, and internal links, as well as following the best practices for site speed, mobile friendliness, security, and accessibility. 4. Link building. This is the process of getting other websites to link to your website and increase your authority and popularity. Link building involves creating and promoting share-worthy content, building relationships with other webmasters and influencers, and finding relevant and reputable sources to link to your site. 5. Technical SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website's performance, speed, security, mobile friendliness, and crawlability. Technical SEO involves fixing any errors or issues that may prevent search engines from crawling, indexing, or ranking your site properly, as well as implementing advanced features such as schema markup, AMP, or structured data. Conclusion. SEO is a powerful way to improve your website's visibility and relevance in the organic search results and grow your business online. By following the 5 main steps of SEO: keyword research, content creation, on-page SEO, link building, and technical SEO, you can make your website more user-friendly, informative, and trustworthy for both search engines and users. SEO is not a one-time thing, but an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring and improvement. You should always keep an eye on your website's analytics, rankings, traffic, and conversions, and adjust your strategy accordingly. SEO can be challenging but rewarding if you do it